In today's video, I'm going to show you Nico Robot Puppy review. Is it a viral scam or legit toy? The hype around Nico, sometimes Nico, realistic robot puppy, is intense. You'll see ads claiming it walks, barks, cuddles, follows voice commands, and behaves almost like a real puppy. Videos show it trotting, tilting its head, and interacting very polished visuals. But scratch the surface, and many red flags emerge. Several scam warning blogs have analyzed the marketing in depth and found that many of the promotional visuals are AI generated or heavily edited rather than real demonstrations. One site states that identical toys in looks components are sold on AliExpress for under $3, while Nico is being marketed for dozens of dollars, a classic dropshipping markup pattern. Real user reviews reinforce the skepticism. On Walmart, someone described the received toy as cheap looking and vastly different from the advertising. Trustpilot reviews of Robot Dog divided by puppy sites report users paying for their orders and never receiving anything or getting a basic, underwhelming toy instead of the feature-rich robot promised. One scenario often mentioned in forums and complaint sites is that you get a tracking number but it's fake, or the package is never dispatched. The Just Answer Support Q&A section confirms this is a common pattern in fake gadget sales. Scammers frequently use social media and fake websites with fake tracking numbers for items they have sold but never shipped. So, is Nico a total scam? I wouldn't say so in a legal sense. You might receive something, but it's highly likely to be vastly overstated. Expect a cheap novelty toy that walks a bit or squeaks, not an intelligent, lifelike companion. The marketing is polished, but the substance appears weak. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.